Welcome to Soul Empowered Meditations. This is your sacred space to align with higher timelines, activate your energy field, and embody your soul truth. Tonight, under the nurturing energy of the Cancer new moon, you are invited to return home. To yourself. To the body, to the heart, to the place within you that has always been safe. Take a moment to subscribe. Your presence supports this channel and helps it reach others ready to rise with you. This meditation is a rebirth, a reparenting, a restoration of emotional sovereignty and intuitive power. Let us begin. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it. Just notice it. Feel your body softening. Feel the ground beneath you. Holding you like the mother. Cancer energy surrounds you now. Protective, fluid, deep. The new moon is dark, but not empty. It is the void space of creation. You are inside the cosmic womb. Feel the safety of the dark, the comfort, the stillness. Let yourself be held here. Now bring your awareness to your heart. There may be things here you've been carrying. Old stories, unspoken pain, suppressed emotion. This is the moment to let it rise. You don't need to analyze it. Just let it move. Let it breathe. Let it flow out of the body like water. This Cancer new moon is here to help you cleanse, to help you remember that your sensitivity is sacred, that your emotions are a language, that your intuition is not a whisper, it is a force. Now breathe into your heart space. And repeat within yourself, I am safe to feel. I am safe to soften. I am safe to be held. I allow myself to receive the love I always needed. I return to the wisdom of my body. Now place your attention on your womb space or sacral center. the home of the inner child. Let a soft light form there, glowing silver and rose gold. Feel this light begin to grow. It spreads upward to your heart, your throat, your third eye, and downward to your hips, your legs, your roots. You are reconnecting, repatterning, reclaiming yourself. And now bring your inner child forward. See them clearly. Feel them. Tell them what they always needed to hear. That they are safe. That they are loved. That they belong. Hold them in your arms now. Feel your body respond. This is the medicine of Cancer. Divine feminine energy. Emotional intelligence. Spiritual nurturing. And now, in this clear space, let a new intention arise. Not from pressure, not from hustle, but from longing, from soul. What are you ready to receive into your life? Whisper it now. Let it rise from your heart to your lips. Anchor it in your energy field. And trust, it is already making its way to you. You are not behind. You are not too much. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are remembering. You are returning to your sacred self. Now take a deep breath in. Feel yourself held, whole and clear, and exhale. Let it all settle. Gently begin to come back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. The energy is set. The healing has begun. The intention is alive. Thank you for sharing this sacred Cancer new moon activation. Until next time, stay soft, stay sovereign, and stay soul empowered.